3 cuttings with water.
These are our Hotlip Salvia. We took these earlier this summer. We have a mess of roots in here.
Oh my gosh,
we
look at all
definitely
those.
need to plant these soon.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. So today it's a really rainy and stormy day. We're in our greenhouse because we want to be undercover. We're going to show you and give you an update on all our cuttings.
Yeah, this is a perfect day to just check on everything, give all our cuttings a little bit of water and just see what's going on. But before we get to all that, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video we post.
Really rainy today. So yeah, we're gonna give you an update on all our cuttings that we've taken over this summer, and it's really cool. There's some interesting things.
And we're gonna sort of take inventory as well, because there were a couple things we actually forgot we took, and we have more to come. So this will be fun to see what's going on.
Okay guys, so here we are, we're in our greenhouse. Here's all the cuttings that we've taken over this summer. So yeah, look at all these. This is great. We're gonna go through each one of these and tell you what they are and how they're doing.
This is so much fun, you guys. These are all new plants that we'll be adding, hopefully, into our garden next year.
So right here we've got 6 cuttings, 3 root hormone treated cuttings and 3 non-root hormone treated cuttings of petunias. And then we've got 3 water ones. So
yeah, and we didn't see any roots yet, and really this has only been a couple weeks, I think. So
yep.
It'd be surprising to see anything yet. Yeah, next we have a big leaf hydrangea that we took cuttings of from our front yard hydrangea. We always like to take enough cuttings to do at least 3 different types of treatments to just see what happens. So the round pots, again, these have all been treated with root hormone. And we checked these a few weeks ago and we hadn't seen any roots yet. And to be honest, we haven't looked since. These, the square pots here are all hydrangeas as well. They have not been treated with root hormone. And you guys, again, if you watched our previous update, don't worry about the brown leaves. This doesn't mean that the plant is dead. There's actually a lot of new growth, as you can see right in the middle here.
Yep,
that's actually
good.
Healthy, really healthy new growth.
Really good.
And then last but not least, we've got our 3 hydrangea cuttings in water, which we don't see any roots yet, but we'll keep checking.
Next up, Spanish lavender. This was a cool one.
This was cool.
So yeah, so untreated cuttings with no root hormone. Then we've got treated cuttings with root hormone, and then we've got water cuttings. And again, we're pretty sure we haven't seen any roots on these yet, but we're still hopeful.
And I'm embarrassed because I actually forgot we had taken Spanish lavender cuttings, so that's exciting.
Next up,
we've got our English lavender, and these actually have already rooted. They've already been transplanted into a temporary home where we'll overwinter them and we'll keep potting up as needed. So those are doing really, really well.
then after those is our fuchsia cuttings, and we just took these a couple of weeks ago on a live video we did with you all. And so again, the square pots indicate non-root hormone treated cuttings, and the round pots are the treated cuttings. And so everything's looking fairly well here, fairly good. We got a little droopiness in that guy right there. Oh, and here is 3 cuttings with water. So yeah, so no roots yet.
No roots yet, but we're hopeful. And then on the very end, we already know that these have all rooted. I mean, you guys, these are our Hotlip Salvia. We took these earlier this summer. We have a mess of roots in here.
Oh my gosh,
we
look at all
definitely
those.
need to plant these soon. But we're gonna leave them in our greenhouse over the winter with some type of heat system set up. Clip those off.
Oh yeah, look at them, they're flowering. Yeah, we need to just pinch those off. Oh, there it goes.
Look at all these, oh my gosh.
So guys, that's our update for all our cuttings. So we hope you enjoyed that. It's great to see them doing so well out here, especially with the cooler temperatures we've been getting and the less and less sunlight we're getting too.
Yeah, we need to get our heating system set up soon, so we're going to be working on that and we'll keep you posted. And we actually have a few more cuttings to take before the season ends, so we'll also keep you posted on that.
So until then, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Definitely let us know if you've taken any cuttings of your own this season in the comments below. And we'll be back tomorrow with another new project, so come on back to see what we're up to.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.